So this time I would like to show you guys how you could easily create a Shopify store using Lovable. You know, I'm just going to use a single prompt, and then we have a great website. So, and then we attach 2 3. Yep. Then send. Yeah, allow the connection. So allow. Let's see. Yeah. Lovable is building our Shopify platform. So let's see. 28 seconds. Okay, okay. This is really great though. So our store is done. No product found. Okay. Okay. Yep. It helped us with the price, the title. Let's just allow. Let's see. Version. Okay. Second content. Allow. So to start accepting payment, we have to claim. So once we claim, it's going to take us to Shopify. Let's see. I should have waited before I claimed. Okay, so we have our yes. Okay, so now let's claim. Let's claim. Let's see. You can add to cart. This is nice though. Check out with Shopify, as easy as that. So okay, claim store should exactly redirect us to Shopify. Yep, about I'm already claim store. I'm already getting an email. Shopify store is ready, so it's already linked. I can do any of my changes here and publish. So we can open the Shopify admin, and then we are going straight to our project. Yes, this is it. This is it. Lovable is connected. This is it. So you can activate, your payment, and that's all. That's all. All right. Thanks for watching.